Today I just wanted to go through the build of the KORG NTS-1. Some people had some problems on some videos that I watched on YouTube, so we'll see if I run into those same kind of problems or if it's pretty straightforward. Let's get building. Alright, so we have the software here to download. Here is our owner's manual. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside for now. We're going to take everything out. I have one of the circuit boards here. USB cable we'll use later. The metal pieces for the corners. Comes with all our screws. I think this is the main part here. Let's open this up. Oh yes, lovely. We're also going to take this out here. Looking good. The onboard speaker, the ARM chip here, our ins and outs. Very cool, very cool. The first step here, I think we got to break off this main piece here. There we go. Okay, and now the main crack here. Booyah! Then we have two pieces up here to take off. These two. Oh, is it all four? Yeah. So all four of these snap out, it appears. Okay. Okay, so I think we need to put the keyboard in right away. I'm already having trouble with this. Of course, I just cut my nails, so that's probably why I'm having trouble with this. Come on. Alright, here we go. Get it straight. Okay. Alright, I think we have to just plop all these in now. Of course, I'm using the dinky little screwdriver, but it's alright. It's not too bad here. Alright, good. Next one. Alright, it's not looking good. 17 minutes into the recording, and all we have done is these two little pieces. Alright, let's keep going though. Let's do the back now. Oh boy, my fingers are too big and dumb for this, I think. Very nice, very nice. From there, we'll see if I have to take off those front and back panels. Already I'm noticing that I just went ahead and did that on my own, but the diagram is showing that these two black pieces here, the front and back panels, go on after you assemble that part. So I'll see if I could still do it. If not, I'll just unscrew it and I'll come back to it. It's not a big deal. So we have the pins that we want to line up. Oh, but we're going to plug in. We're going to bend this around and plug that in first. It's going in, but then it doesn't fully go in. It says open, lock. And it shows the piece going back. No. I don't get it. Oh, I see. I think it's this black piece that I'm supposed to be moving. That's it. So it's this little black piece that the brown piece does not move. It's the black piece that comes up. Alright, so let's try that again. There we go. Now it's in, and now we're gonna... There we go. It's locked. So let's see here. Make sure I don't bend anything. The pins. That one's in. That one's in. Oh yeah, I see. I'm gonna have to take these front and back panels off real quick. I messed up. I jumped the gun. Alright, we 30 minutes into this. So we're gonna put the bottom plate on first. That's what I skipped this step here. Okay. Now we're gonna put on these panels. And there we have it, folks. We're gonna put the feet on actually for, call it a day. Wow, yeah, so that's pretty nice. It's very lightweight. We have an endless encoder here. And then we have the two knobs here. Clicky buttons. Alright, so we successfully got this built finally after about 45 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes. I'm just gonna plug it in to make sure it boots up, and that will probably end this video. I just wanted to build it, go through the steps a little bit. Yeah, so it's just a micro USB, pretty standard stuff. Could have been nice if it was USB-C, but I'm not really mad at it. I have lots of these hanging around. So we're just gonna plug it in the back here. Right? Is this gonna reach all the way to my... Alright, we're gonna have to do it this way. Oh, and there it is. Alright guys, so that wasn't too bad. I'm gonna wrap up the video for now for this. I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, and I'm gonna come back with a part 2, and we'll go through some of the different oscillators, the filters, envelope, the mod, the delay, the reverb, what other effects we could load on there, the presets, and we'll see what else we could do with it pretty soon. So we'll see you at the next video. Thanks.